The Miniature Rondo by Turk on page 56. Let me ask you, when you were analyzing the phrase structure, did you determine it was a 4-bar phrase, or did you see the first 4 measures linked to the next 4 measures for a total of 8 measures? Think about this. Do you hear it 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Or do you hear the A section 8 plus 8? Think through that. Either way, determine the way that you want to hear that and perform that. Now, in the A section, notice those left-hand accompaniment figures, a lot of motion, but the anchor is that C that repeats quite frequently. How do these chords harmonize with the right hand? Do you see a chord entity in the whole first measure? You see F, A, C. So you need the right hand for the chord third. Moving on to the second measure, C, E, G. There's the chord fifth in the melody. Moving on to measure 3, C, there's no E. G and B flat looks like a C7, and then ending the phrase with F, A, and C. So analyze vertically. We've been talking a lot horizontally, but analyze vertically also in this first A section, all 16 measures in the A section. In measure 7, in the second phrase, second line, you see the B natural. Think about this. Are you modulating to C, or is it just a passing tone? Looks to be just a passing tone because at the beginning of the third phrase, you're back in F. Now, when you analyze these first 16 measures in the A section, were measures 1 through 8 exactly like measures 9 through 16? If not, where was the change? You should have noticed the last 2 bars, measures 7 and 8. You see this left hand B flat B, natural C. Compare that with measure 15 and 16, B flat C, F. So the left hand changes here. It's the last 2 bars, measure 7, 8, and 15 and 16. So you want to focus on those so that you don't get tripped up by that for that particular ending of that A section. Now moving into the B section, how is this different, its character, from the A section? Did you notice that now the eighth notes are in the right hand and the quarters are in the left? So that the rhythms got flipped, and therefore the left hand takes on the character of a melodic figure. Okay. Notice in the B section that measures 1 and 2 are exactly like 5 and 6 of the B section. 1 and 2, 5 and 6, just an octave lower. But the third and fourth bar of the B section are different than the last 2 measures of the B section. So again, focus on those changes so that it won't throw you when you get there. In the third measure of the B section, you'll want to study that third measure. There's a C sharp, F sharp. You've got some chromatic tones in here. You don't want to let that throw you. Okay, so think through how that's going to feel and how that's going to sound.